Should may be similar to each other, and all may be show you right answer. It will be difficult for you to from the right answer. Sometimes some options you know that they are wrong because of say various reasons. If you don't know the reason, you may feel that many right answers you may find from there. Out of that, you may check it. So that will not happen. That is why properly I have started. So the continuation we have to do there. Act 2, scene 2 we have completed. Later on, very small scenes are there. They are very important incident taken place, but as no scene is unimportant. According to story, the major story part, some unimportant part is there. That is relationship between Leo and Jessica. Next, but major incident taken place is of Jessica from her father's house. For that, she herself told two reasons. Personally, her father's behavior is not good. She felt irritation there. She felt that she would not get happiness in her if she continue her life in her father's house. That was the first reason. Second reason, according to religious belief, wrong deeds to their children. Child's wrong deeds are too much. These responsibilities will come upon Jessica. So Jessica will not be her life as a daughter at Shiloh's house. But she feels that she will be saved if she stay from there to marry Lorenzo. If Lorenzo marry her, naturally her religion will be changed into Christianity. According to Christian belief, another way of described in Bible, the Christian Bible, New Testament, there Jesus Christ described the Christian belief related to parents, children, sharing of sin. Jesus Christ himself said that he was ready to take all the responsibilities of the sin did by the people, those who are doing, and those who are going to do. Means past sins, the present day sins, and the future sins. Who will be responsible? Jesus Christ himself will be responsible. He is ready to take himself the responsibility. And the person who has done sin also will be responsible. That it will be. There is no doubt about it. So these are the two people sharing the sin, and those who are the followers of Jesus Christ will not have the responsibility to take the responsibility of the sin of the order of sin. So Jessica knew the religious theory. That is why she very much interested to So, go with Lorenzo. She may get a happy married life. She will be free from all the difficulties related to Jewish religious life. These are the matters encourage her to run away from her father's house. And Lancelot was the person as a mediator in between their relationship. Whose relationship? Lorenzo and Jessica relationship. Lancelot helped, and Lancelot only handed over the love letters to each other. Once Jessica wrote a letter to Lorenzo, and Lorenzo wrote a reply to Jessica. To each other, Lancelot. So there we see. The next is the Prince of Morocco. Again to the scene. First, Morocco was not able to choose the casket. Portia said that it was the time for prayer and dinner. Really, she was afraid of Morocco's presence there because Morocco may choose the casket, right casket, and she would be compelled to, or she would be forced to become the wife of Morocco. That was the real reason. But Morocco was not afraid of the casket system. He was ready to take the risk. So he was allowed to choose the casket. Then second time when he came, he read inscriptions on the. When he read the inscription on the casket, gold casket is the right, because he compared himself to gold. Means he was highly reputed, the son of a king, hereditary order, as well as reputed, rich, belonged to this daily most, means their furnitures, their plates, their then crown, their power expressing stick, this all either made of or covered by gold or gold plate. So gold is very much close to their life. So he gold casket may be the right casket. He may be able to marry God. He directly went to the hall and opened, but he got what? Got a skull. Is the wrong, and immediately verse 3, he wrong casket. Right casket. This is the all were the after the promise he to stay back the anger and depression, but it was not possible for him to stay. He went back. Then next scene, the Prince of Aragon. Prince of Morocco was self-oriented, and he believed that he was the only person suitable to marry Portia. And Aragon also having the same thought, but he was over proud. Morocco was very confident about his bravery. But Prince of Aragon was overproud, and he thought that he was the only person to marry Portia, suitable person to marry Portia. So he chose the right casket. He will be the husband of Portia, like that a 100% sure thought was there in his mind. Went to the silver casket. He believed that gold casket may not be the right casket because it was written there, it was related to common people. Large number of people desire to get it. A large number means common people. He himself believed that he was not a common man. He was a reputed person. So, according to his reputation, he has to get gold casket. It is written there. The inscription there is related to the common people. He was not a common man, so he wanted to choose the. He went to the lead casket also. He thought that the lead is not at all suitable for him. It is not attractive. It is giving threatening words. He has to sacrifice from his life. He is ready to take risk. So he thought that he was not ready to take risk after traveling a long distance to reach Belmont. It is not for taking risk. It is only to marry Portia. So he thought that it is not the good decision to choose the casket or the gold casket. So he opened the silver casket. Silver casket was the casket which contained the head of a or the picture of a joker. Means he was compared to. He was compared to a joker. Who was compared to? Prince of Aragon was really compared to a joker. Here there is a proverb. Those who are showing overproud in their life finally become a joker, a fool. So that was the statement given from the casket. So he also was defeated in his attempt, and same promises were there for him too. He also took the promise that he will not remain there and ask there for further chance after choosing the wrong casket. He will not marry another girl after choosing the wrong casket. Then he will not say anybody that which casket he had chosen. Means number of suitors are there all around. Means all around, not in that room. In her guest houses, many suitors are staying. One by one, only given the chance to choose the casket. All the suitors were not together. Why? Because it would reveal the secret. After choosing two caskets, everybody may come to know that which is the right casket. There is no points to say that, explain that the third casket is the right casket, because from the first two caskets it will be clear. So nobody was allowed to come together one by one. And there was a promise, a swear. Nobody should say the details of the casket outside. Which means that the casket system and the secret is kept very then hidden. before all the suitors. When each person entered into the room, they may have confusion and in their decision by thinking deeply about it after reading the inscription, they may have a personal decision to a pre-thought will not be there. So these are the matters discussed in Act 1 and Act 2. From there, almost all the characters were described, their special nature, relation with each other, and what all storyline we may continue from there. This all clear from first two acts. And total number of scenes we have covered there, 12. 12 scenes completed there. First act consists of 3 scenes and the second act consists of 9 scenes. Total 12 scenes we have discussed. And these 12 scenes, directly you will not get any question. But question from the third act will be related to these first two acts. So that you have to be very careful about. So what are the storylines and what all incident happened there, all you should know. And that is why I told you, not only Act 3, Act 1 and 2, you have to revise it. But questions are only from Act 3. Clear? So if anybody having any doubt from these first two acts, that you can make it clear now. After that, we are going to the next scene. Line is we may read it. How much possible that we may do. And each line, meaning, special, any explanation, reference, whatever it is, each line given, all should be clear to you. Accordingly, you have to do the answer. Is it clear to you all? Everybody? Then open your book, Act 2, 1 and Act 1 and 2. Any of the pages, if you have found earlier or now, anywhere, any doubt is there, now you can ask it. Act 1 and 2. Any doubt is there, you have to make it clear. There is no need to ask line by line, meaning generally, what is the doubt? Because line by line, it may not be asked, that is why. And if you ask, then also I am ready to, but that much detail, there is no need to go, that's all. He has asked a doubt from Act 2, Scene 9. In your book, page number 104, after getting the message from the casket, Aragon reads the message. What is here? The fire 7 times tried this. 7 times tried that.
अरे मैंने उसको बुक जो सजा बना रही है वो जो बैठे हैं ये देखो विद्या पढ़ाई की वो ही नहीं है क्या होती है वो कदर ही नहीं है इसको
You, what happened? What happened to you? First, in the beginning, I asked you, really are you coming for learning or to disturb others? If you don't like to learn, it's better to sit at home. Online classes are there. Those who want to learn something extra, that only come to school. Understand that? You take your way and get to the last seat. Here, this side, last seat. Go. Fast. Sit there. Fast sit to take it. The fire 7 times tried this. 7 times tried that judgment is. That did chose amiss. Some there be that shadows his. Here it is described that how to purify gold and silver. It purifies by heating 7 times. The first heating, the raw gold or raw silver. First heating time, a certain level of temperature it will be, and many unwanted things will be burned and converted into other chemicals, and it will be away from silver. But it will not be the final purify. Again, another level of temperature, it will be heated up. Like that 7 times, the metal, raw metal will be heated 7 times. After heating 7 times, what may happen? All the impurities will be removed from silver or gold, and pure silver or gold will be available. Same way, human thought also should be purified. If we have a thought about something by under the influence of a sudden feeling, that may not be correct. A thought out of sudden feeling will not be correct. So we have to think many times, not exactly the 7 times, many times, maybe more than 7 times or less than 7 times, whatever it is, many times we have to think about the same matter. Finally, we may get an answer. I have to go through this way. This should be the final decision. Like that, we may have a decision. Clear? So, what Aragon did? Aragon looked at the gold casket and believed that it is the wrong casket because it is related to common people. There was no second thought. He went to the lead casket and he thought that it is also not suitable for him. It is not related to him or equal to him. So he avoided it. When he looked at the silver casket, he felt that in this casket, it is told that a person who is the person who is competent, means able to marry Portia, will choose the casket. Like that feeling he thought. Immediately he opened the casket. There was no second thought there. Because of that sudden thought, sudden decision, he made a mistake. What was the mistake? He chooses the silver casket. So that only here told 7 times tried that judgment is our judgment. Judgment means after thinking, after we get an intuition, information, immediately if we take a decision, that will be wrong decision. First we have to think about, deeply think about, many times revise it, then come to a conclusion or come to a final judgment. Then our judgment will be correct. So Aragon has not done such a deed. Sudden emotions led him towards wrong casket. So that was it. I think you have got it. Here, ask him. Okay, is it? Okay. Page number, please. 86. Okay. Line number? 10 to 20. Okay. Sit there. Page number 86. Second paragraph. Graciano. that ever calls, who raises a feast with that he sits down, the horse that doth enter again, his taking measures with the unbattened fair. Just before that, what happened, then only you may come line. Salarino here says fast or Venus pigeon. It is about whom it is. Can you say? Salarino says about lovers, the lovers and their behavior is told there. Graciano also compared it to a ship. That means not about the modern ship. It is about ship around 500 years ago. Means the ship had no engine. It was affected by a lot of risk. How it is? The ship may start its journey for 1 month, 2, 3 months, maybe even 1 year. That you may know. During British rule, from Britain to India, ship traveled 1 year because continuously the ship would not be travel. During bad weather, they may stop somewhere, then restart journey, again stop there, like that continue. Almost 1 year the ship took. Same way, a ship is ready to start its journey. That time the ship will be properly painted, the sails will be properly tied, all the nut bolt, each and everything would be kept a new one, each and everything properly polished and made new, and it may start its journey. After some days journey, heavy wind, the change of climate, so many matters may affect. Then what will happen? The shape of the ship also will be changed. The paint will be damaged, or the sails will be broken. All the other arrangements made on the ship will not be useful. Then the ship may come back after many days journey, and nobody is able to find out that the same ship which gone from here, because the shape and the appearance will be totally changed. That is about the ship. Then how it is compared to a sincere lover? Sincere lover may start his journey towards his beloved. He may put on very nice dress, and his pocket will be filled with maximum amount of money. He may wear different varieties of ornaments. Everything would be there as the ship start its journey. Same way it will. After the meeting or during the meeting with his beloved, beloved may have lot of demand. He may sell all the ornaments and spend all the money to make his beloved happy. After this all, he may become like a beggar. Who may become? The lover may turn into the appearance as a beggar and come back like a beggar at home. So the ship and the lover are closely compared. Now, is it clear? These are the three examples. Now, listen here all. That lover is compared to three. Once more listen. After 1 year, common sense is very less. Is it?